Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give an overview of Agentforce. So like how we can create a free account for learning purpose of Agentforce and what is the use of Agentforce basically, why this Salesforce came with the Agentforce. So Agentforce is nothing but we can say like we earlier we had Einstein Studio, correct? So they upgraded to Agentforce, the Einstein Studio. Okay. So what has happened here in the Agentforce is lots of in the backend tool we use AI tools. Okay, like we have various different kind of AI tools in the backend. Okay, and then what will happen? The AI tool will build up the response for you, and it will display you in the Salesforce or in the UI. That means Agentforce is nothing but it is used for making our job more easier, more faster compared to earlier days. So, like if you want to write an email, you can just give some context from the UI, and then from the UI, then the AI will be generate email for you, and it will display to you. And if you want, you can copy that email to some of the field in the Salesforce, and same you can use directly copy paste to sending to the customer. You can use directly to send to the customer. So like it is some we can say it is mix up of like human interaction and then AI on the back end. Okay, so I'm telling like how we can create a agent force for the learning purpose if you want to create a org. Okay, so here what we have to do. I have been already logged in my Trailerhead. First of all, you log in with Trailerhead. Okay, then you go to see a search button, and then you can type your agent force. Okay, let me enter here. Okay, it's loading. So once what will happen, and that we can see we got all the models here. Okay, so here we have to click on the get ready for the agent force. We have to click on this button. Okay, on this link. Sorry, not button. On this link. Okay. So once you go here, then you can see here we have a quick start build service agent with agent force. So you have to click basically on this. Okay. Once you click on this, what will happen? It will navigate you to different we can say articles. Okay, here we can see here we have a option to create a playground. So here I can check this one and create a playground for myself. And so after creating on this, clicking on this button create playground, it will be sent an email with the username and password. Okay, so save that username and password for login uh, in the future. Okay, and this play org will be valid only for the 45 days. So in 45 days you can learn easily the agent force, you can play around it, and you can prepare yourself for the interview. So let's I'm clicking on this create playground button here. Okay, I clicked on that button and I will be receiving an email and password on my email ID. Okay, one second. Okay, so you can see I have already got an email from the Salesforce for setting up my org for learning the Agentforce. I can click on this link here. Okay, I have already clicked on this link, and we can reset the password here. Okay, let me reset the password. Okay, okay. So I can give anything here. I am giving anything as a password here. Okay, let me. I can give anything. Okay, let me change password. So keep remember this password for your future use. Okay, and this is the you can say URL. You can do it as a bookmark. Okay, so as you can see, once I have been logged into the Agentforce, I redirected me to the Coral Cloud Resort application. Okay, so this is default application that is used by the Agent Salesforce. So here we have like by some of the like default we can say object we have like chatter, account, contact, experiences, and booking, customer review, cases, report, all the things we have here. Okay, we can add anything more if you want. Like we can add, if you want, we can go to this application. We can add more on this. Okay, so let me go here to the setup first. Okay, let me go to setup here. Okay, and let's see our agent is activated or not. It agent is turned on or not. So for that we have to click here on the setup, and then we have to type here agent. Okay. Let me block it. So here we can say agent here. Mm-hmm. So here we can see after typing here agent, we can see here we have agent for agent, and we can see this is off for us. So we have to do basically what we have to do. We have to on this one. Okay. So use the agent force. Let me do an on here. So okay. We have to switch on here. So that's fine. First setting we have been done. Okay, and then we can see here some of the user get created here by default user once you on it here, like Coral Cloud Agent and Coral Cloud Experience Agent. Two agent will be get created by default once you enable this agent, and you can create new agent as well from by clicking on this new button. Okay, that I will be for covering in the future video, next video. Okay, so this first step. Second step, we have to go Einstein setup here. Okay, let me type Einstein here. Einstein. Okay. So here Einstein setup once again. Okay, let's go to Einstein setup. This is the Einstein setup you can see here. Okay, we have to click on this. Once you click on this, we have to turn on Einstein. We have to turn on this first option. Okay, let me turn on this first option. So once you turn off this first option, that means we have been completed the second step for enabling our org for the Agentforce. Okay. Now we have agent for developer. We can see here agent for developer we have. Let me go here where we can see here Einstein agent for developer. Let me search here agent from builder. Let me type for developer. It will come. Okay. So we can say Agentforce for developer we have. Okay. So we have to go here also. Okay. And we can this is disable for your org. We can enable this as well. Okay. So this will be. Let me enable. So that's all. This three step is mandatory for enabling your Agentforce for in uh, Agentforce org. Okay. So these three steps are required for enabling Agentforce. Okay. So now we can see here if you go here prompt builder. Let me go prompt. So we can see here we can see the prompt builder here. Okay. And we can create a new prompt builder from here by selecting anything. We have all default or standard prompt builder we have already have here. Okay, we create a new prompt builder from here. Let me click here. Okay, so I'll be covering this prompt builder from the next video. So today we have been let me summarize. Today we have been learn how to create a developer org or trial org for learning the Agentforce, and what are the process for enabling the Agentforce in the org. Okay. So that is for today. I will be posting the uh, prompt builder in my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.